This course orientation is to provide you some introductions and guidance to begin the course for the semester. Information for this orientation is available from the course syllabus. Please make sure you download and read it more carefully for the course assignments, policies, and required activities. The two textbooks on the top are required that you must have for the course. If you have not had a chance to get the textbook for this week, it's okay. Please make sure to get it by week 2. And the books at the bottom are recommended for you but optional. You are encouraged to have at least one of these. If you ask me for my suggestion, I would personally recommend you to get the Fence book, the first book here. That is a very handy book, and the knowledge information described in the book is very logical, clear, understandable. Especially, they provide many examples for students to practice. After you log into Blackboard, you will see the course menu on the left side. You are required to click on each menu and navigate through it to get familiar with the course design and platform. This week is the first week of the classes. All things in the Blackboard are new design and may not be the same as other online courses from your previous experience. So you may want to first check if you have not done it yet. From the beginning of the welcome and the instructor's contact information, your group number, and textbook information, syllabus. Then go to the week 1 course content from the learning modules. Also, you will find the library resources useful after clicking on the library resource menu. Ryan is the librarian assigned to our College of Nursing, and he has designed the web page particularly for you and for our course use. So take some of your time to navigate the website here, and then you may find some handy information and tools for you, for example, like an APA format and how to search articles, etc. For your use in the near future coursework. So this is a really informative website that I would recommend everyone to browse and then check into it. Everyone is free to contact Ryan for any assistance as you need. You will find the course syllabus under the syllabus course menu. There are 3 appendices in it. These 3 appendices are very important with detailed information, especially in appendices C, for you to read through. The appendices C include assignments and then detailed rubrics for the assignments. Course policies are in Appendix B. These are like rules for the course, and please read and get fully understanding on these policies, including the course weekly cycle from Tuesday through Monday, communication with me using the course mail as a priority, and then get my cell phone information from these orientation slides, and the course attendance that you might want to check syllabus for the weekly discussion rubric. What is attendance to the weekly discussion? Assignments, quizzes, exams, that those information are important and late assignment and miss the exam. These are the information that you want to be clear before the class starts. I want to take this time to emphasize course communication for this online course. If you have any question related to the course, feel free to post onto course Q&A or send the course mail to me. Lots of times students find needed information including questions or answers from the course Q&A that other students also have brought up. So that is a place everyone would want to visit more often. And if something happens or as necessary, please contact me through course mail as your first option and action. I will also use the course mail to contact you as the first choice. So please check your course mail box from time to time. Also, you are free to call me at my office number during the office hours or other time. You are allowed to contact me directly at my cell, which is displayed in the slides if any emergency occurs. For example, at the situation your computer suddenly shut down during the time you are taking the exam, that is the time that you must contact me as soon as possible. These are assignments and quizzes exam in our course. We have one final exam and 15 open book quizzes with exceptions on quiz 1 and quiz 13. These two quizzes are pre-post course assessments which are designed for cross-book tests with only one attempt submission. For assignment, the instructions to complete the CT training certificates are clearly described in Appendix C. It may take you 2 to 3 hours to complete the two course modules in the CT training. So you may want to take it whenever you can and not wait until late semester. The assignment link will be opened for you on March 1st. If you have previously done the CT training, please check the expiration date on the certificate and remember to update the affiliation to Kent State University College of Nursing. More detailed information regarding the group poster project will be provided to you when the class goes by, and peer evaluation form is not due until the group poster is done. The course evaluation grade table is based upon 200 points of the coursework. The grading scale is provided in the group project. You are randomly assigned to one group in the course and work with your group members in wiki area throughout the entire semester. For the group project, each group has 7 members to work together on the group task. So I really recommend each group selects a group leader or a facilitator to ease later the group work and tasks. I want to emphasize that I think the group leader is important. So some group may want to have some kind of alternative leaders. It's okay, but remember not to have the different leader for each week because that will make things very complicated. And sometimes if a leader for that particular week is not showing up, that things will get very messy. So I really recommend one leader for one group. You can also pick another facilitator, but you don't want to have more than 2 leaders for a group. This semester, I plan to meet with each of you by group to discuss your group poster project. face-to-face or through phone conversation or conference, or use Blackboard Collaborate Talk. It is not mandatory, just depending on each group's need. And I really want this kind of opportunity to meet with each of your group that would really work with your group of project together, so to improve your course of learning. Other more information will be sent out to you in week 2 or 3. Stay tuned. Please wisely use the course Q&A area as needed, and other students are welcome and encouraged to respond to your colleagues over there if you know the answer. Lastly, a couple of reminders for you for this week. Please take the practice exam before you take the quiz one. And each of you will receive the canned email with a link for the wiki survey. Please take it by the end of this lecture week. Thank you for your attention and hope this orientation helps you navigate the course well during the first week of the class.